To make soccer team logo design in Canva, I will use this Instagram post square format here, and first I will change it to color black. Okay, and after that I will choose this logo design which says soccer club logo vector icon, and in here I will just change the color to red because I want to change the theme to red and yellow, and for that I will make a bit more brighter red and use it, and I will change this one also so it looks like this. Okay, and after that I will just go to text here, click on add a heading. After that I came to ChatGPT and asked in ChatGPT suggest me bird themed unique one word soccer team names, and it has suggested me some names, and amongst them I like Skyrion the most as it has sky plus avian connotation and it is very much modern, so I will use this one and just change it here to Skyrion. Okay, and after that go to FX and go to outline, and in here I will just change it to black here, make it to 35. Okay, and duplicate it twice. Okay, in the second one I will use this red one, and in the third one I will use this yellow one, and after that in the red one I will just change the effect to outline to white. Okay, like this, and after that just I will hold all of them and select this letter spacing and increase it to 30, and after that select this one, the second one, and Ctrl plus X to copy it and paste it here by pressing Ctrl plus V in the keyboard, and in the third one select it, press it again Ctrl plus X and move it in the third page, and just keep it here. Go to share, go to download, and after that make sure it is in PNG and select transparent background. Select only the page 2 and 3 where the Skyrion is written in two letter colors. One is in red, one is in yellow. Select them and click on download. Now after that just move it below here and just re-upload both the text here. Okay, just crop it so that it gets easier for you to understand. Now go to apps, here write skew, click on skew image, and the yellow one will be this vertical skew which will be plus 20 degrees. Okay, click on add to design, just keep it here, and for this red one the skew will be minus 20 degrees. Okay, and just keep it this way and click on add to design. Okay, so these two are ready. Now these two are not required, you can just delete them and just crop it. Okay, and just bring it right here and adjust it accordingly. Just zoom it so that it gets easier for you to understand. Slightly small would help. So 1098 here. Okay, and I will follow the same for this also, make it 1098. So 97 is closed, so I will use this only. Okay, and I have fixed it, and let's do for the red one also, like this. And after that, go to layer, show layers, move both of them below this main text. Okay, and after that I will use R here to bring a rectangle and just cover the main text with the background color. And you can just elongate it here, so no problem with that. Just make sure you change the background color to the same background color, which is black for here. And after that, just select all of them excluding the logo and make it bigger. So centering is done. Now let's make this one center. So this one is done here. So as you can see, this time the logo is not transparent here, which means that if I just remove this black color, there will be a black line present here. So how to change that? Just make the one black here again, and just download it, clicking on share, click on download, make sure it is PNG, and this time don't make this transparent background icon. So now I will select this current page, which is page 1, where we have made all the changes, and click on download. Now we will add page, and we will just add this again, and we will remove the background color, and you can see this black color is present here. I will just make it to the same size as the canvas, and after that I will click on BG remover. So as you can see, when the background is removed, you cannot see the main text. So to make it visible, you can just change it to any color you want, and as you can see, your logo is ready, and you can just use any type of icon or color to see if it is working fine or not. So hope you like this tutorial, and please subscribe to the channel for unique tutorials related to Canva. And if you have any questions or doubt in your mind, please feel free to comment in this video so that I can understand your problem and solve it accordingly. Thank you.